In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your mobile number to Lebara with a pack. First, you'll need your pack, which is a porting authorization code from your current network. Using your old SIM, send the standard pack request text to your provider's official shortcode. You'll receive your code by SMS, and it's typically valid for 30 days. Make sure your old SIM has signal and enough credit to send a text if required. If the code expires, you can request a new one. Keep the message handy because you'll need the code exactly as shown, including any letters. If your account details don't match your provider's records, resolve that before continuing, as mismatches can delay the transfer. Next, insert and activate your new Lebara SIM. Pop out the correct SIM size for your phone, or follow the eSIM instructions if that's what you're using. Confirm your phone is unlocked or compatible with Lebara. Then complete the activation steps provided by Lebara, either online or in the app, and make sure you can place a call or use data on the new SIM. Keep your old SIM active for now. You'll stay reachable on your old number until the transfer completes. Now submit your pack to Lebara. Go to the Lebara website and open the Keep My Number or Transfer Number page. Enter your packed code exactly as received, your new Lebara number, and the number you want to keep. You can also choose a preferred transfer date if that option is offered. Double check every digit of both numbers. A typo can block the transfer. Make sure your pack is still within its validity window and that both the old number and your Lebara SIM remain active during this stage. If possible, pick a weekday for the transfer, avoiding weekends and public holidays to help it complete sooner. Finally, wait for the switch. Transfers usually complete in 1 to 2 working days. During the switchover, you may notice brief interruptions to calls, texts, or data. Once the transfer finishes, your old SIM will stop working and your number will now live on your Lebara SIM. If your phone doesn't pick up the change right away, restart it or toggle airplane mode. Then, place a quick test call and send a text to confirm everything's working. If messages appear in separate threads, check your messaging app settings to ensure your number is set correctly. Should the transfer take longer than expected, check your status in your Lebara account or reach out to their support through official channels.